Welcome back to Valentine's Week. If you're celebrating Valentine's Day at home, I have a quick dessert recipe for you. This Caribbean coconut treat only needs 4 ingredients, and I'm calling it coconut kisses, and it involves chocolate. So get ready, come on, let's go. Okay, guys, so for our coconut kisses, as I said, we only need 4 ingredients. It's very easy, very quick, very straightforward. You are going to need your coconut flakes, and I'm using unsweetened coconut flakes. You can go ahead and use sweetened coconut flakes, it doesn't matter. Condensed milk, and I have half a cup of condensed milk here. 1¼ cups of dark chocolate. You can also go ahead and use milk chocolate, guys. It's all up to you. I love dark chocolate with coconut, so this is what I'm using today. Going to need some vanilla, and I'm using vanilla bean paste. You can go ahead and just use vanilla extract, and that's it, guys. That's all you are going to need. Now we are going to move to the stove top to get our coconut kisses ready. So on my skillet on here, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, add my chocolate. My chocolate has melted. I'm going to go ahead and add my coconut flakes. Then I'm going to add my condensed milk. Turn down my heat all the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla bean paste. So I have some parchment on here. I'm just going to go ahead, scoop. I just melted some white chocolate. Okay guys, my delicious, quick and easy coconut kisses are done. They look delicious and it smells amazing. And here it is guys, our quick and easy coconut kisses for our Valentine's Day dessert. This is part of my Valentine's series on Life by Vern. I hope it inspires you to celebrate with your loved ones. Beautiful. If you're loving Valentine's Week, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out these delicious, quick, and easy coconut kisses for Valentine's Day. Or let me know which one of the recipes you are going to try out for Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.